Hello mga ka-vlogs. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, Peter Revoca Vlogs.
No, you don't have to subscribe.
So I just want to introduce my colleague from Indonesia. Okay. Hey man, just introduce yourself.
Yes guys, so my name is Patrick. I was from Bali, which is the famous destination tourism in the world. Then I have a friend from Philippines. He's look Bulaho, you know.
What is
So,
Bulaho?
Bulaho, it means I don't know. I actually I don't know the real of meaning Bulaho, but Bulaho it's make me what? I don't know.
Who's
Hello.
that Bulaho man? Who is that from Philippines?
No guys, he's fake, you know.
Okay, encourage them to subscribe my channel. Okay.
You don't have to subscribe. You don't have
Bye.
to subscribe. Bye. Thanks.
Okay guys, we already ate there. What the food we ate?
We have been eat kebab.
Yes, kebab is one of the famous food here in Saudi Arabia.
But he's not famous.
No, I'm not famous.
He's Bulaho. What?
See, he's very young, still young, rather.
I'm old.
How old are you, man?
16.
16. Yeah, the Bulaho guys, 16.
16.
The height is look 16, but his age, I don't know. How was the kebab? How was that food?
It's pretty good. Not bad.
So now we're going to home because we eat already. And for those who did not subscribe, just subscribe my YouTube channel, Peter Revoca Vlogs.
You don't have to subscribe, guys.
Thank you so much. Bye. See you again. Say bye to my subscribers.
Ciao.
How to say goodbye in Indonesian?
Sampai jumpa.
How about
Sampai
good
jumpa.
evening?
Hah?
How about good evening?
Good evening. Selamat malam. Ya, selamat malam, guys.
Selamat malam.